In a general sense, comments refer to remarks, observations, or opinions provided in response to a particular topic, document, or discussion. We've received a comment. Please make a video of how to comment. I am struggling to do it. In this part, we'll talk about the comments section in detail. Below the video on YouTube, there's a comments section. Here, you can post comments, reply to existing comments, and like comments. We aim to offer you the most informative videos available. If you encounter any offensive material, kindly leave a comment below.
Subscribe Digi Tech Truck for thrilling and informative content. Reshape your experience.